Surface Go charger. So compared to the Surface 3, this charger here uses the Surface connector for charging. So it's a magnetic cable. It does not use USB-C at this point. One advantage with this kind of charger is that everything here is in this brick here. So you don't have this extra power brick that you have to carry around with you. So it's only this little unit here that will do all the charging. And if you look closely at it, let's see, it is giving off output 15 volts, 1.6 amperes. So it's not pulling a lot of power actually. So the new Surface Go is pretty good when it comes to power consumption. Yes, so this is the Surface Go power connector, the new power connector. It's way better than the micro USB that we used in the Surface 3.